I'll be down in a minute. I just need to get some shoes. Okay. What shoes should I go with? Nah. Oh, let me go with these.
It was at this moment he knew he should have bought some clear stackable shoe boxes.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Alxr, and in today's video I'm bringing you guys 5 sneaker lifestyle hacks. Let's just get straight into the video. So for the first way, this is how to make sure your shoes don't get too creased. You got your Jordans on, you're walking around all day. As you're walking, you can see they're getting creased. It's just terrible because you're just walking and they're just getting more creased. But don't come home and put them straight in the box crease. When you come home, take your shoes off, get some old socks and stuff the old socks right up inside the shoe. Or you can use a shoe tree. That way, the next time you come to wear them, the creases are going to be pretty much all gone. The socks or the shoe tree that you're using is going to have puffed up those creases. That way, when you're walking in your shoes, you can crease them up, put them straight back in your box, and next time you wear them, they're not going to be as creased as they were before because the socks or the shoe trees have puffed most of the creases out. So the second way is basically makeup for your shoes. This is Angela's Direct Nail Paint. You know, it's basically makeup. This is what I use every single time my shoes get scuffed. You go out, you scuff up your white Air Force, it's not looking too good. You come home, it's basically Tipp-Ex. You just get a paintbrush, put the paintbrush inside the paint, put it over the scuff where the scuff mark is, just completely clears it up. You gotta make sure you put some acetone or nail polish remover over where the scuff mark is first to remove the factory finish. I've got a video on my channel if you want to check that out. But then you just go over it with the white paint and it covers up the scuff pretty easily. Now for the third sneaker lifestyle hack. So if you're like me and you don't have a lint roller, don't worry, just use sellotape. So all you have to do is you get the sellotape, take a bit off. This is disgusting, excuse me. And then you just get your fingers like so, wrap the sellotape around like that. Get your shoes that you want to get the dust off. Simply, you can see all of the dust, all of the fluff that's on your shoes, it picks it up. So, like me, if you don't have a lint roller, simply just use some sellotape and it will get all of the dust off your shoes, and it works really, really well on Vans Old Schools. So for the fourth way, this is another way to prevent creases in your sneakers. We have the sneaker shields, or some people call them force fields. You gotta excuse me, mine did actually break. They did snap, only slightly though, because somebody stepped on my shoes. But other than that, they work perfectly fine. I've got a pair of Air Force here. These are a pair of Louboutin custom inspired Air Force that I did a while back. Haven't worn them yet because the soles are red and I really don't want to scratch the paint off. But I'm gonna show you an example with these. So you simply get the sneaker shield, you put it up inside the shoe, and you push it to the very end, and then once it's in, the shoes aren't going to crease. Like you look at my fingers, they're not creasing at all. Look at my fingers, they're not creasing. Like, yeah, they're not creasing whatsoever. You feel me? You can put them in Jordans, Vans if you want to. Not sure why you would do that. You can put them in Air Force. They work really well, and it means that when you're walking, look, they're not creasing at all. I'm not gonna lie, they're not the most comfortable things to wear in your shoes all day, but if it's not for long periods of time, then they work pretty well.
Stop. You've forgotten your sneaker shields.
Now for the fifth and final sneaker hack. If you've got quite a big collection of shoes, it is the most annoying thing ever. When you go to your shoes, you're like, what should I wear today? You pick the shoebox out and they all just come crashing down. However, a perfect solution to that problem is clear sneaker boxes. You just stack these up, they stack up really, really easily. You want to get to your shoes, you simply, and done. So it means this way, having the clear shoe boxes, you can stack them up as high as you want. You don't have to move shoe boxes to get to the pair that you really want to wear that day. You can simply just, oh, I'll wear those. You open the box, you take your shoes out, and it's really, really efficient. So if you've got quite a large sneaker collection, I would highly recommend investing in clear boxes, because it means you don't have to worry about your shoes falling on top of your head anymore. I'll be down in a minute, I just need to get some shoes. Okay. What shoes should I go with? Nah. Oh, let me go with these.
It was at this moment he knew he should have bought some clear stackable shoe boxes.
So that was the fifth and final sneaker hack. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any other sneaker hacks you'd like to share, make sure you go ahead and comment them down below in the comment section. If you did enjoy this video, if you did find it helpful, smash that thumbs up button. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. Also turn on the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video, which is every single day. Thank you for watching. It's been your boy Alxr. I'm out. Peace. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Alxr, and today's video I'm bringing you guys 5 new sneaker lifestyle hacks. You dig? When I say sneaker lifestyle hacks, it makes me wanna dance for some reason I don't know why.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop, my future looks overseas. I'm on a new level, check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can new drip. Check like it's Nike, may I just do it.